10, 11, 12. Hey, all right. So that was the end of my Alegrías La Caleta, part 2. So yeah, part 2, we've already done the whole first half. Now we're working on the second half, and this is the final cierre of the song. And it merits its own little mini lesson here because of the timing of it. So the rasgueado, you should be already really familiar with. The chords, one that we haven't done right now as of yet in this piece, we're doing this B sus, we've done that, but then we do this C power chord. Ooh. It's just 3, 5, 5, okay? And then going back to that. And then we do an E major, okay? But the trick is here, we're gonna do a continuous AMII rasgueado for 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna go bum, 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 bum. And this goes 6 and 7 and 8. 6 and 7 and 8. In your music, I wrote this doing as an index finger. But I alternate. I do my index and middle finger. And sometimes I'll just use my middle finger. So it's all okay. Whatever you again, it's your feria. It's your fiesta. Okay? So the trick is that for this C, I'm muting the top 2 strings with my index finger. So I'm not super arched here where there's a hole there. I actually lazy up my first finger so that it mutes the top 2 strings. And then I lift it so that I have some open strings, that's sus. For that, okay? So recognize that. You don't have to do that. You could keep it muted. If this is a new technique and you just want to keep it muted, that sounds great too. Or you can open it up for that B. Or if you like those notes, the high strings, I don't like that. I don't like that sound because you get all of a sudden that major 7 for the C. I like that tensor, that power chord. Okay? So we have from the beginning of this section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And now we're going to go to our E major. And here I lift my thumbs just ever so slightly so I can play all 6 strings. And then I do this down and I do a golpe so that there's a golpe on beat 10, the final beat of the piece. Now that last index finger, it's really hard for me personally to get that golpe with strumming all 6 strings. So frequently, I will only get the top 4 or 5 strings with that golpe. But I would practice it, and I practice it trying to get all 6. Okay? So practice it that way. If you do not know how to do a golpe with the extension of your index finger, follow the link in the development program to learn how to do that. I'll give you some options on how to get that into your repertoire, and then you're adding on top of it, this is at the end of a rasgueado, which we've already done in other lots of other development programs, of course, but already in this piece. So look out for that and follow that, okay? Or watch that, and then let me know if you have any questions, of course. So if we count this, we go, hopefully you've written the counts over the music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this rasgueado starts on beat 9. 9, E, and it's a 16th note. 9, E, and 10. 9, E, and 10. 9, E, and 10. Okay? So now I'll play this at 88 beats per minute. That's been our happy home for the other works, okay? The other sections. Here we go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, normally do that. But because it's slow, I added that. So we have to be careful. When it's slow, we can do things that we wouldn't be able to do at full speed. So we can add and create bad habits. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? One more time. 10, 11, 12. All right. So that's it. Now, once you have that part, I would make sure to add the what we're on I, so make sure to add H, okay, before it, which is the alzapua section. And then you have, and then start building back. Make sure that you feel comfortable adding that into the whole of the piece, okay? Enjoy the work. As always, I'm here for you with any questions. I encourage you, please use email if you have questions, especially if you want a faster answer. A lot of times I don't get notifications, or I don't get notifications, or I don't check in with a certain platform, and things can sit for weeks sometimes. So email me. All right. Wishing you great practice, and I hope you're really loving going through this Alegrias I wrote. Okay? Have a great day. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.